Today, we're here to talk about why mice find it so easy to get into your home. As starters, they're made of mostly cartilage, so they can compress themselves almost like a pancake and get into holes. The holes that they can get into only need to be about a 1/4 inch in diameter. It's about this big, and an easy reference is about any hole the size of a dime or pencil a mouse can get in. Mice like to get into the holes, work their way into the wall to get at warmth, heat, and nesting material. Insulation provides an amazing spot for them to nest and breed, so when you go around your home, check for little gaps, cracks, and crevices, areas in the brick like this you can see, and other common spots are around utilities like water, gas, and electrical, as well with weather stripping and other spots around door frames and window frames. Make sure if you go around, seal it up with something solid like steel wool or a very thick silicone, and you should do this a few times a year to keep those mice out.